Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets, it is in a separate trajectory. Nasdaq, wow, last September, I remember seeing Nasdaq 100 trading around 10,500, and now it is above 15,500. So in last 9 months, I don't know, yeah, it should be 9 months. It's a fantastic rally of nearly 50%. But while falling also, it fell about 60%. I think it's all-time high is about 16,000 plus, maybe just under 500,000 point only. So US market is in a firm bull grip, and also the dollar index has fallen below 100. So that is really good for emerging markets. And because 580 yesterday night, that was really surprising because here it closed below 19,500. So it was indicating a gap up of about 80 points. So, but right now it has cooled off a little bit. Now it is indicating 19,550. So still it's a gap up of about 50 points. Number one, uh, Friday can be a trending day. Number two, yesterday's sell-off is was very surprising. I don't know why Bank Nifty has to fall nearly 500 point yesterday. A 500 point fall, intraday fall is very severe. Unless there is some news, it doesn't happen. But yesterday, entire global markets were firmly in green, and don't know why our bank Nifty fell uh, nearly 500 points. So, even half of that is recovered. Let us say 250-point recovery. Of course, yesterday evening itself it has recovered a little bit, but if 200 to 250-point recovery can contribute about, mm, about 80 points rally for Nifty. Right? And more importantly, banking stocks will start coming into focus after IT stocks. IT, TCS, Excel Technology results came. Then after that, yesterday the Wipro result came. But Wipro result has not been good. But anyway, people were not expecting any good results from IT companies, as I told you already. Bandhan Bank will be coming out with results today. On Monday, HDFC Bank. On Tuesday, IndusInd Bank. So these three results, all banking pack. So with that, just like IT was in focus, now next week the focus will turn to Bank Nifty. So, so one thing is that yesterday's fall was very surprising, and last five trading session, as I mentioned yesterday, even the post market report, Bank Nifty opened higher and closed lower. So that was the trend. So today also it's likely to be gap up. So we are going to see what is going to be going to happen at the end of the day if there are shorts, right? Because markets fell so much yesterday from the intraday peak. Probably there may be some kind of a short covering in the last 1 hour. So which means to say that if the markets continue to be weak, there will be some sharp uptick towards the end of the day. But even before the afternoon itself, if the market recover, and that's a different story. So, third thing, one probable reason why markets were sold off yesterday is because the day before yesterday, FAs were net seller aggressively for more than 1,000 crore. So, but yesterday they have bought for 2,000 crore. So probably that might change the sentiment today to bulls. So we need to see what it is all about. Uh, but underlying current is bullish. So there is no doubt about it. Positionally, the Nifty has become long around 17,500 as per a technical analysis which I'm following. and then it becomes negative only on breaking 19,000 on the downside. So as long as 19,000 is not broken on the downside, uh, this market is in uptrend. So one may ask a question, sir, what is the point of talking 19,000 is the support, 20,000 is the resistance, how to make money? What is the point of talking, 19,000 support, So, okay, but those people who play with options, so they will understand what is the importance of these support and resistance. So they can create a combination of option strategies so that as long as Nifty is trading between 19,000 and 20,000 with a positive bias, so they can make some good profit. I'll just give you one example, which I suggested to some of my friends who have done it, so they are making good profit. Uh, I told them to sell 20,000 put option in August series, buy July series, sorry. Sell 20,000 put option in July and buy 20,000 put option in December. So why I'm expecting 20,000 as the resistance for this month. Okay. Then, in fact, the same strategy I did share in my YouTube video for the last 1.5 month. Okay. And 1 month before, when this one was done, there was a credit. But now there is no credit, there is a debit. So I always like to do credit spreads only, not the debit spreads. So in order to adjust that debit, so what I suggested them, sell one 19,000 put option in the current series. So, you don't, like you get credit also, but since 19,000 is a support, so you can sell 19,000 put option safely to collect to the difference. So that strategy seems to be working very well. So maybe I may come out with a video explaining this strategy. So sometimes, like people, analysts, when they talk, I also wonder, oh, if 19,900 is crossed with decisively with a high volume, it can go to 20,000. Like this kind of analysis, is of no use. Okay. But those who are good in options and they can create option strategies based on my view. Of course, remember my view can go wrong, right? Most of the time, my longer term view has been correct. So, looking at the open interest, I think no need to look at the open interest 19,000 and 20,000. So, that is the range, and markets can be hugely volatile. So when IT pack came to support the market, other indices are dragging. So today it'll be interesting to see. But Bank Nifty, last time when Nifty hit all-time high, last time all-time high, Bank Nifty was 45,400 something. But yesterday, Nifty took out the all-time high, but Bank Nifty has not gone anywhere near there. I think now HDFC Bank is down more than 120 rupees down from recent high. So that is playing a major role. So anyway, let us hope that today HDFC Bank also recovers. So it's good that we are opening only 40-50 point higher. If 80-100 point gap up is uniformly sold into markets, it has to open flat with a slight positive or negative bias for a good amount of trending to happen. So let us see whether today yesterday our market went down against the global trend. Only at the Nifty, just because of IT, it was on green tick. Otherwise, Bank Nifty, Nifty Financial Services, mid cap, small cap, everything was down yesterday, but against the global cues. So let us see today whether we are going to see an uptrend or not. I think resistance is clearly yesterday's high, and support also should be clearly yesterday's low, because yesterday the candle was a very big candle and today it should be an inside candle. So let us see. Yesterday, Reliance has come under huge selling pressure. So probably we have to see how the Reliance moves today. So as usual, Reliance and HDFC Bank alone contribute about 25% of Nifty. So when both these stocks are weak, Nifty has to be weak only. So we will see these two stocks how it's going to perform today. But market going up, coming down, going up, coming down, not going anywhere. Option sellers are very happy. So there are people who have created 19,500 short Straddle. So they must be very, very happy now. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.